All right, let's take a look at a great stunt toy, and this is actually a little remote RC control cart that has LED lights that turn on in the back and in the front. So when you turn it on, they turn on in the front, if you guys can see it, and also in the back, the light, when you actually push the button to smoke, when you push the smoke button, look what happens. It lights up the LED light at night. It looks beautiful. It's very fast. It does great stunts. It could do a demo if you hit the play button. The remote control can reach long distance up to almost 60 yards. You also have to fill it with water so you could get that water effect, that smoke effect. The wheels to control is very simple. You got these two back wheels, forward wheel. This to control the back wheel. Forward wheel, two ways. This is what you use to actually climb certain steps. All right, now this is very durable. I jumped it, if you guys can see a scrape everywhere, but it's still working. It's wonderful to play, lasts a long time. It comes with two batteries, so you're gonna play plenty of life on this cart. It lasts me about 30 to 40 minutes depending on the usage. Go throw the smoke. Use both hands.